इससे पहले कि आप बाकी क्लिप देखो बॉस, प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन, प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन, बिकॉज हम यहाँ पे हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशंस के सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग, पावरफुल, फनी और यूनिक मोमेंट्स यहाँ शेयर करते हैं. PGX क्लिप्स, प्रेस सब्सक्राइब, प्रेस बेल आइकॉन.
Is there a singular consumer insight upon which Gabit or Zomato was built? और क्या वो consumer insight आप verbalize कर सकते हो? Like, आपको पता कैसे लगता है वो consumer insight क्या है?
हर कॉन्टेक्स्ट की इंसाइट अलग होती है. इट कैन नॉट बी द सेम, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल in a behavior like a food delivery or anything like that, number of times a person orders is very important because then it starts to form behavior. In let's say something like Gabit, when does somebody starts thinking about their health more intrinsically, that is a customer insight. So I think मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि कोई भी सोल्यूशन ना आप कहीं से भी उठा के कहीं और नहीं लगा सकते. Context is very, very important. First principles work, and I'll tell you the first principle which is common between Zomato and Gabit, which is customer is the focal point. Period. You're always building for the customer. You're not building for yourself. You're not building for the next person you know. You're actually building for the general target customer that you have. Always keep that in mind and keep talking to them. My biggest learnings used to come even at Zomato जब हम खुद जाके खाने डिलीवर करते थे.
That meme is real.
हमने कोविड में भी किया है. And of course, my family was like, why are you going out in COVID to do that? But I said, if I don't understand what my delivery partners are going through in COVID, how will I able to address कि उनको क्या क्या और चाहिए to be able to do this better? And the learnings and the insights were mind-blowing.
Can you tell me some?
Huh?
Can you tell me some?
For example, when you go out there, so when I went for my delivery, I got my first order. It was a cake. Yeah. And can you believe it? Where I had to deliver that cake?
I have no idea where.
To a hospital. हम लाइक कोविड चल रहा है, पीक ऑफ कोविड. जब एसेंशियल सर्विस की तरह मेरे को अलाउ किया था कि हम कर सकते हैं. मेरा पहला ऑर्डर केक आया है, केक, और वो भी एक हॉस्पिटल के लिए. तो वन थिंग टेल्स मी, हॉस्पिटल में है तो वैसे मुझे पहुंचाना पड़ेगा, और ये तो केक है. मतलब somebody is actually trying to slightly get some happiness in a very, very bad state of affairs.
Right.
But I said, I have to go there in that hospital right now. This is what our delivery partners go through. Like the empathy, everything goes up for us, right? To understand how do we design better.
Right. Wow.
And उससे पहले हम बोलते थे कि यार डिलीवरी पार्टनर्स को कस्टमर्स को कॉल नहीं करना चाहिए ज़्यादा, क्योंकि कस्टमर्स को ना सीमलेस एक्सपीरियंस ही होता है.
Right.
आई रियलाइज ऐसे केसेस में बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो मैंने क्या किया पहले, आई कॉल्ड द कस्टमर, आई सेड, मैम, आई एम कमिंग टू डिलीवर योर ऑर्डर, बट आई हैव वन स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट. कैन यू प्लीज कम टू द डोर ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल? I won't be able to come inside. And she's like, why not? Sure. She just came down the stairs. I gave her the packet and I left from there. I realized how this process needs to be contextual.
Right.
This is mind blowing.
Wow. Okay, that's super interesting.
Yeah.
What role does competition play in a business?
It is one of the biggest success factors. So if you ask me, the biggest success factor for Zomato was Swiggy, and was Swiggy was Zomato. Nothing else. No caveat. The way we pushed each other every day is a result of why we are so good today. So I love competition. I love good competition.
It's true for almost any profession. Who you are competing with becomes your anchor point to success.
That is the golden standard. And one should just like feel good about it.
How do you like figure a business around competition? मतलब how do you compete? एक तो हो गया, ठीक है, मेरे को information मिल गया, but compete कैसे करते हो?
So I think one, it just, in my view, it just makes your execution more thoughtful and faster. Right? For example, जैसे Zomato had to go from 15 to 500 cities. वो हमें पता था. That nobody told us that. We knew we had to do this. Just because we knew we have a credible competition, we actually planned in a way where we can execute better and faster than, let's say, them, which made us great. If he was not there, if Swiggy wasn't there, we would have done it slightly slower or maybe not as thoughtful. Because you want to do it better. It's just that. So your I think it just focuses much more on better execution because there's very low
The scope नहीं है गलती करने का. Right. Somebody is going to eat it up.
So I think it's just that. And if somebody can do this time and again every day, every month, you just keep chipping at it. I think वो ज़रूरी होता है.
If you had to build a new audience from scratch today, how would you do it?
I would actually work with the folks who are very credible with that audience today to get the story out. So, great product है, great offering है, बट अगर आप उसको सही टारगेट ऑडियंस तक नहीं पहुंचा पाओगे, डूइंग ग्रेट स्टोरी टेलिंग, ऑथेंटिक स्टोरी टेलिंग, तो वो नहीं हो पाएगा. एंड आई थिंक पीपल, नो मैटर हाउ मच वी से कि ये चल रहा है, इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन है, आई थिंक पीपल आर स्मार्ट, पीपल आर इनहेरेंटली स्मार्ट, दे नो हु टू बिलीव हाउ मच, राइट, हु इज ट्रू, organic, and who is just not true. So I think you have to work with credible folks for that target segment in that particular context to get that story out. And I would say at the same time, work with credible folks in that space to build your product better, which is what we did at Gabit. We actually work with the best of nutrition coaches, fitness coaches. We're working with some scientists in Harvard, in Oxford now, to build the best algorithms and product that we have. And then we make sure that we get the story out in the most authentic manner, get people to use the product, review the product, talk about the product, but real users. That makes a huge difference. People can see it through it. ये हमें लगता है कि ऐसा नहीं है, but ऐसा नहीं है.
अगर आप हमारी इन विचित्र अचित्र कहानियों का और किस्सों का और बातों का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं, तो आपको यहाँ पे PGX Clips चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि यहाँ हम पोस्ट करते हैं हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशन के बेस्ट, मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग, मोस्ट वाइल्ड, मोस्ट इंटेलेक्चुअली रेजोनेटिंग मोमेंट्स. सो प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन, प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन, स्पेंड सम टाइम विद अस.